Many students complain on one thing, that they can't create longer sentences by their own. This is a major problem which I am seeing in many students who are at the beginner level of their spoken English journey. So I'm telling you that please try to make small sentences in your beginner level. Afterwards, you try to create longer sentences. But yeah, longer sentences are required when you will indulge yourself in big conversations or in group conversations. At that moment, you can feel like that you need to speak more and more, and their longer sentences go well. So at that moment, you need to feel that ability of speaking much in English. So I am suggesting you to do three things side by side for 30 days. If you can do this three things for 30 days regularly, you will achieve that ability to create longer sentences. Number one is to read more and more in English. You can read anything which actually amuses you, which actually makes you happy. So read anything but in English, okay? And you can read for 30 minutes a day. Now, the second thing, that is listen to somebody who speaks so well and confident in English. You can listen to TEDx speakers or anybody, any speaker who speaks so good in English. So, listen to people who speak so good in English. If you can indulge 45 minutes in that case, that can go well. Okay? And then try to speak out whatever you have listened or whatever you have read in your way, in front of your mirror or in front of your camera. You can record your audio if you are not comfortable with recording your video. So record your audio, but summarize whatever you have learned throughout your reading and throughout your listening. In this way, you can see that there is a vast change in yourself. You can create longer sentences by your own. You can speak so good in English. You are not getting stuck while creating longer sentences. So try doing this. But you have to be consistent in these three things: listening, reading, and speaking for 30 days.